This isn't just built for adventure. It's engineered to conquer every challenge in its path. Hey everyone, welcome back to Luxoro Homes. Today we're checking out one of the wildest expedition motorhomes ever imagined. The 2026 Toyota IRONPEAK 6x6 motorhome. It's part rolling fortress, part luxury apartment, and entirely built to go where ordinary RVs simply can't. Whether you're exploring endless deserts or setting up camp deep in the mountains, this machine is designed to handle it all. Let's dive right in, starting with the exterior. And honestly, it's hard to know where to look first. The IRONPEAK wears an aggressive desert tan matte finish that instantly gives it a rugged military-inspired presence. Every corner of this vehicle feels purpose-built. At the front, a bold honeycomb grille proudly carries the Toyota badge, while sharp rectangular LED headlights create a modern yet intimidating face. Up on the hood, you'll notice a functional hood scoop, while the snorkel mounted on the driver's side makes deep water crossings look effortless. Down below, the heavy-duty front bumper comes equipped with integrated recovery hooks and a powerful winch system that's always ready when conditions get tough. Moving along the sides, the sheer size of this motorhome becomes even more impressive. The tall living module features armored-style body panels, rugged riveted fender flares, multiple exterior storage compartments, and dark privacy glass stretching across the cabin. At the rear, dual spare tires, bright red recovery points, sleek LED taillights, and a reinforced bumper complete the expedition-ready appearance. And then come the wheels, 6 oversized mud terrain tires wrapped around matte black multi-spoke beadlock wheels, giving the IRONPEAK an incredibly aggressive stance, while the dual rear axles provide outstanding stability and load-carrying capability. But this beast isn't just about appearance. Under the hood, it's expected to feature a twin-turbocharged V8 diesel engine, producing somewhere between 500 and 600 horsepower, along with well over 1,000 Newton-meters of torque. Power is delivered through a heavy-duty automatic transmission complete with a dedicated towing mode. Its advanced 6x6 drivetrain and 3 locking differentials ensure that every wheel continues delivering traction no matter what terrain lies ahead. Mud, loose sand, rocky trails, or river crossings, this machine is built to keep moving. Even with a weight exceeding 12,000 kilograms, the long-travel suspension is expected to provide remarkable off-road performance while maintaining a smooth highway ride. Step inside, and everything changes. The rugged exterior gives way to an interior that feels more like a luxury residence than an expedition truck. The cabin is finished in elegant white and cream tones. You'll find a spacious bedroom centered around a generously sized double bed, finished with premium hotel-style white bedding. Technology is another area where the IRONPEAK stands out. The driver's cockpit feels like a command center, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster, multifunction steering wheel, and a large infotainment display offering navigation, camera views, integrated dash camera, and an auxiliary display reinforce its expedition-ready personality. When it comes to safety, Toyota is expected to include its latest driver assistance technologies, including autonomous emergency braking, lane departure warning. Let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Toyota IRONPEAK 6x6 motorhome is expected to start somewhere between $500,000 and $800,000, depending on equipment and customization. You have a hardcore military-inspired 6x6 machine capable of tackling some of the harshest environments on Earth. On the other, you step inside and discover a luxurious living space, and that's our look at the incredible 2026 Toyota IRONPEAK 6x6 motorhome. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to Luxoro Homes for more incredible luxury motorhomes and futuristic expedition vehicles, and let us know in the comments. Would you take the IRONPEAK on your dream adventure? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.